I learn number 10. I draw number 10. 20. 30. 40. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. And 100. Purple color. Number 10. 1 and 0, 10. Number 30. 3 and 0, 30. Number 50. 5 and 0, 50. Number 70. 7 and 0, 70. Number 90. 9 and 0, 9, 90. 100. 1 and double 0, 100. Light green color. Number 20. 2 and 0, 20. Number 40. 4 4 and 0, 40. Number 60. 6 and 0, 60. And number 80. 8 and 0, 80. Let's repeat learn. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. I hope you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe for more educational videos. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.